Okay, so let's move on to a couple of more formulas which are actually quite important as well. Sometimes within the range of data, within the range of the amounts, you really want to know what is the highest number within that range and the lowest as well. So to do that, all we need to do is to type max. We're going to be using the max function. It's going to type equals max, and then you can see all we need to do here for the value is actually to select the range that we want. And this is it. I'm going to select the range, close the bracket, press enter, and there you go. If you want to select the min, it's exactly the opposite way. So all we need to do is type min, select the range, close the brackets, press enter. And there you go, the minimum sale. Now, sometimes we can and we need to do something. We need to understand again unique number of sales values which the specific database has. And for this reason, all we can do is actually to make sure we do the following. We can do the count unique, and you can see count number of unique values in the range. And all we need to do is actually select the range here. Then we are selecting the range, and I'm selecting column C. Press enter, and which is equivalent to 10. This 10 is going to be equivalent to this. As you can see, the unique function, the difference between the unique function and the count unique is that with a count unique, we are counting the number of unique values, and therefore it gives us 10. With the unique function, it's going to be, it will spill the array of unique values. So as you can see, these are 10. As you can see here, count 10, and this is the actual number corresponding. Ultimately, there is something quite interesting that we can make, and we can make dynamic. So for this, we are going to be using COUNTUNIQUE. So COUNTUNIQUE. We're going to be selecting the range, and for this, we are going to be selecting the amount, because each amount, each transaction has a specific value attribute associated to it. So I'm going to select this range here, then comma, criteria range, and for the criteria range, I will be selecting my products because I want to know how many sales of specific products have been sold. So I'm going to select the product, C5, Control Shift down, C4. I don't need to have any cell reference here because we are not going to be moving the cell from anywhere. And as you can see at the top, for the criterion, I've already added the data validation, and therefore all I need to do is select cell Q2 and close the bracket. When I close the bracket, press enter, and give me that in total there were 12 sales for camera. If I'll change now to smartwatch, I know that there were 9 smartwatch sales. For the tablet, there were 13. For mouse, also 13. For keyboard, there were 10. So hence, it's a bit more advanced, a more dynamic representation, how many unique sales of specific products. And this is how you can do it with the COUNTUNIQUE function.